The Peña family continues to make remarkable strides in the kitchen. Their cooking skills have flourished, and their dishes are tasting better than ever. Before Clementine begins teaching classes on her own, the two of you have one more lesson to prepare together. You've been asked to lead a class at a nearby food pantry on the best cooking methods for various foods. Many people find this challenging, and together, you're going to help your community build a strong foundation in cooking. In this module, we'll explore different cooking methods and how they impact the texture and flavor of food. Whether it's dry heat techniques like grilling and roasting, or moist heat methods like braising and steaming, each approach brings its unique qualities to the table. As you work through this lesson, think about what you and Clementine can teach in your class to help participants choose the best cooking method for each type of food. Consider the kinds of foods they'll likely receive at the food pantry and the tools they're most likely to have at home. With a better understanding of these techniques, your participants can elevate even the simplest dishes into something truly delicious. We'll be here to help Clementine prepare for this lesson so that everyone in the class can feel more confident and skilled in the kitchen.